Are you looking for the best rollerblades for kids? This comparison evaluates 5 popular kid-focused models across a price spectrum from budget to premium to help parents balance safety, grow with you sizing, comfort, and performance. So let's get started with the list. Product number 1, adjustable inline skates for boys/girls ages 4 to 12 with light-up wheels. The Super Youngster SY01 pairs a wraparound hard shell with a protective, shock-absorbing build and a low center of gravity aluminum bracket. It features multiple closure options, buckle, hook and loop, and laces for secure fit, and a tri-fold protection design aimed at reducing ankle sprains during early learning sessions. The wheels include built-in flashing lights, and the overall construction emphasizes durability with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Size range is aligned with medium to big kid fittings, and the aesthetic is geared toward younger users who enjoy a visual payoff while skating. In practice, the combination of a fully wrapped shell and thickened laces translates to reliable ankle containment, which is critical for beginners who are still developing their proprioception. Product number 2, 4-size adjustable inline skate for kids. G-Free's 4-size adjustable skates offer a simple push-button length adjust, along with LED-lit wheels powered by self-generated light. The frame is aluminum, and wheel setup includes 82A PU wheels with ABEC 7 bearings, which positions the skate as a solid performer for beginners who want a stable glide without excessive speed. The product emphasizes grow with you sizing, unisex sizing, and a lightweight feel suitable for younger children transitioning from balance boards to actual skating. Performance-wise, the combination of ABEC 7 bearings and 82A PU wheels yields predictable roll with adequate grip on typical outdoor surfaces. The self-powered LED wheels provide a visually engaging cue for kids, which can improve motivation and confidence during early sessions. Product number 3, Rollerblade Microblade Kids Adjustable Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Microblade is positioned as a premium, adjustable performance skate with a focus on leg and foot support, including a junior fit liner for comfort and a 4-size adjustable shell. The 72mm wheels with 80A hardness, SG3 bearings, and a modular 3WD system that can convert to a 3x80mm wheel setup highlight a path toward longer-term skate capability as a child grows and progresses from beginner to intermediate riding. The skate is designed to deliver a stable, low center of gravity ride with a design language that prioritizes performance and durability alongside comfort. In practice, the Microblade's emphasis on proper balance and control, combined with a robust integrated frame, supports longer practice sessions and more confident turns. The 4-size adjustability makes it a scalable option for kids across several age ranges, reducing the need for frequent repurchases. Product number 4, Kuxuan Boys Adjustable Inline Skates with Light-Up Wheels. Kuxuan's entry emphasizes value with an adjustable one-push button system that covers multiple kid sizes and 8 illuminating wheels. The design relies on a premium feel with an aluminum frame and 70mm wheels, approximately 70mm, complemented by ABEC 7 bearings. The overall package markets itself as a strong gift option with attractive visuals, a sturdy build, and a balance of performance features suitable for outdoor and indoor skating for beginners. From a performance perspective, the 70mm wheels with ABEC 7 bearings offer stable speed control and decent grip on typical pavement. The one-button size adjustment reduces friction during growth spurts, which helps families avoid frequent replacements. The inclusion of light-up wheels provides additional kid engagement and safety visibility during dusk sessions. Potential caveats include the leather-like sole material listed. Product number 5. Mamigol Adjustable Inline Skates for kids, boys, girls, youth, beginner with light-up wheels ages 4 through 11. Mamigol offers 4-size adjustability with 76mm wheels and a high-traction 82A PU compound paired with ABEX 7 bearings. The design prioritizes soft liners, toe protection via front padding, and self-powered LED wheels to maximize kid excitement while skating outdoors. The 4-size progression S/M/L provides a broad growth window, making this a versatile option for families looking for longer-term use without frequent replacements. In use, Mamigol's emphasis on comfort and aggressive padding at the toe helps reduce toe pinching during first attempts, while the durable nylon shell fosters resilience against rough outdoor surfaces. The larger 76mm wheel size strikes a balance between speed and stability for beginners transitioning into more confident glides.